In a dense, murky swamp, nestled among the reeds, lived a tiny salamander named Sam. Sam was not like the other salamanders. He had a heart of gold and a spirit of adventure. One day, a great drought struck the swamp. The water receded, leaving Sam high and dry. The other salamanders burrowed deeper into the mud, but Sam, with his adventurous spirit, decided to find a solution. He journeyed far and wide, seeking water. He climbed the tallest reeds, crossed the scorched marsh, and even ventured into the dangerous, sun-soaked open field. After many days and nights, Sam finally found a distant pond, shimmering with clear, cool water. However, on his way back, he realized that the other salamanders were suffering. With a heavy heart, Sam made a selfless decision. He carried water back to his fellow salamanders, one drop at a time. He journeyed back and forth, ensuring that no one was left without water. The other salamanders watched in awe as Sam, their tiny hero, carried the life-giving water. They realized that his spirit of adventure was not just for the sake of exploration, but for the love and care of his community. In the end, the drought passed, and the swamp was once again teeming with life. Sam, though exhausted, was content. He had shown them that a small creature, filled with courage and kindness, could make a big difference. The story of Salamander Sam became a legend in the swamp, a tale of sacrifice and unwavering spirit. And as the years passed, the salamanders never forgot the lesson they learned from their tiny hero.